Hi, welcome back on Do It Yourself channel. They're going to show you how to make augmented reality with your Samsung Galaxy M15. To do this operation, slide up, search for the icon named camera. On the down here you have to press more. Next, this AR zone. Okay, there is notification. And as you see, we have a AR emoji studio. Yep, so you can set up with this emoji or something different. You can create some emoji if you wish, whatever you like. Let's wait until the phone will create this emoji. It's getting dressed. Okay, and now you can choose your emoji style. For this, you can save it. Yeah, that's it. Your emoji was being created. Okay, as you see, we have air emoji stickers. That's it, and you can download the deco pic in the emoji augmented reality. So that's it for now. I hope the video is helpful for you. If yes, you can leave like, leave comment, and leave subscribe, and see you by next video. Hey.